glaciers and one valley glacier over there on the right-hand side. Beautiful view today. This is named for Portage Glacier. We can no longer see Portage Glacier. Oh, the tunnel! Just joking. This is not the tunnel.
Oh, it's not. It'll have an A
Portage
shape.
Glacier is that like rock outcropping kind of on the right-hand side. Portage Glacier has receded far enough that we cannot see it from the road. Back behind the corner there. But still, several glaciers in this little valley. It's really beautiful. I encourage you to look all around. I have also spotted quite a bit of wildlife here, even when we're stopped right at the tunnel. I had a bear walk out right in front of us one day, so just encourage you not to totally check out in case you see some wildlife. Several more hanging glaciers on the left-hand side.
Ooh, that glacier.
Little valley glaciers.
Can you see it? Or
The railroad trestle on our left. Oh, the sun's popping out over there. Wow, that is a lot of motorcycles.
Someone topped the one in front of us. Wow.
Wow.
That is so cool.
Someone here said, wow, the sun on top of that glacier, and I cannot agree more that
It's amazing.
it's so beautiful.
Oh gosh. Look at all that waterfalls.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it amazing? It's amazing.
There's a glacier right up there.
My favorite is waterfalls.
There's 1, 2, 3 of them right here.
So Rebecca, my husband and I watch The Adventures of A&K, but then also Destination Adventure. Dustin, I
4 glaciers right here.
Dustin Porter used to work for the Princess, and he did all of their advertising stuff and took all their pictures and everything. He doesn't even know, but oh my gosh, this stuff is so cool. Look at that. Dustin Porter, his YouTube channel is Destination Adventure. Yeah, it's so cool. Damn, I should ask my questions. It's a great idea to have the tunnel for traffic and the train, rather than building another one.
It is great having this traffic, or this tunnel, for vehicles and the train. On ship days like today, there are like 4 or 5 trains that bring folks into the tunnels, or into the ship, so it's also a nice efficient way to move people around. The tunnel is open once per hour per direction, so inbound traffic is on the half hour and outbound traffic is on the hour. So if we had been maybe 10 minutes later, we might have just kind of hit stuck.
There's the entrance at A-frame.
we need all the help we can get. So, are you ready? So the tunnel is 2.5 miles long. Speed limit is 25 miles an hour, so it will take us just about 7 minutes to go through the tunnel. On our left-hand side, this is the first of the 8 steep houses. Kind of felt a little bit of a change in temperature and humidity. The temperature and humidity inside the tunnel is near constant all year round. In the winter, it's pretty fun to come in the tunnel, roll down all your windows, and get that warm blast of air. Just don't forget to roll your windows back up before you come out the tunnel, because it's a unpleasant reminder that it is still winter. During the 1964 earthquake, the tunnel sustained almost no damage. People's confidence in the tunnel has really increased since then. is the Grand Princess, which is straight down the front. Waiting just for you. There's one last sight to see before we get on the ship. Well, two really. Whittier's airport is here on our left. There's the runway, and there's the windsock. That's the airport. And as we come into the port, we'll see one large building, kind of cream, teal, and pink color. And that is where about 90% of the 250 residents that call Whittier home live. Inside that one building is pretty much the whole city. There's a police station, a hairdresser, a grocery store. I've heard rumors of a bowling alley. I don't know if that one's true or not. But there are tunnels that go underneath the ground and connect over to the school, so the children don't even have to go outside in the winter. No snow days for them. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited for you to board the Grand Princess. I really hope you enjoyed our journey together. It may have been my job to get you here safely, but it is my pleasure to entertain you along the way. And you guys truly have been a very fun group. I don't really get to say that very often. I wish I could just keep you.
You too.
Thank you for all the laughs and fun and patience. You guys are great. Once we arrive at the port, a member of the port operations team will be coming on board to tell you all about your embarkation process.
We're boarding the Grand Princess cruise ship, and it's a big thing. Here we go. Because it didn't show up. Turn it over. There you go. Hello. Yeah.
You want some food over there? We have the food ready for you.
I don't care.